Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, August 18th. Time is around 6:30 GMT and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. So we are in this area where the wave 4 should end. We are reaching the limits actually. Below this level, a wave 4 would not longer be possible anymore. However, there could also be an alternative count, like something like this, that this was the 1, the 2, a short wave 3, 4, then the 5 and the 3 here, which means that we could have a bigger zone for our wave 4, like somewhere till here, till this area. But yeah, I will not change my count yet. I will wait for today's data and have a look this weekend in more detail when I do my higher time frame analysis. I also want to discuss a possible scenario, like I mentioned yesterday, that this was just here, or this here is still part of a larger correction, that our wave 2 was not in yet, but will be in somewhere here, that we even take out this low. So these are all things I would like to do during my higher time frame analysis. So I will publish this this weekend, but I think for now the most important thing is the long from here, and therefore I will stick to my current count as it was now. But so I might reconsider this weekend to provide more details also on alternative scenarios. But for now, let's have a look at this here. Like I said, we reached the limit here of this wave 4 area, which could be bigger if this wave 3 was in here. So that's not really like a stringent condition, I would say. However, what's more problematic is that for now here we reached the lower boundary of this zone. So yesterday I was stopped out again while I was doing my new entry for a long. And so then my now my last entry was here actually. So hopefully we have a push up, so I can make my position risk free. But yeah, this is how it sometimes goes. Like this is my third attempt now to go long here. I first tried here, then I tried lower somewhere here, and now I put it at the extreme, and yeah, it looks like kind of a last chance for a long, because if we do not start to turn up from here, then the problem is that we do not really have a zone anymore. Like, okay, this wave C can extend as much as it wants, but the problem is then where do you put your where do you put your entry? Because there might be a scenario that we have, let's call it the extreme bearish one. There might be a scenario that we have some kind of high here, and that we start to go down in an impulse, and then this should be in some strange way a wave A. Now, I'm sorry, a wave 1, a wave 2, and this here is a wave 3. And then the problem is, where do you go long in a wave 3? But okay, this is also something I will discuss this weekend during my higher time frame analysis. But yeah, for now, this is what I'm looking at. So long from here, which is really the extreme in my opinion. So I would like to make this position here risk free. Let's see if I'm able to do this. So we will need a push to the upside to make the position risk free. But then if I'm again stopped out, then yeah, then I will just wait, I believe, because yeah, then we have to consider yeah, a more bearish scenario in which this might not be a wave four, but something more bearish. But therefore, we need a higher time frame, and the same also holds actually for the Nasdaq. I think for the Nasdaq we have still a bit more space, let's say, but also there we are reaching the limits for the correction, or at least the first part of the correction. And yeah, as you know, like indices, they move together. So I look at both the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq to yeah, to define my trading. So for today, trading IDs, I would say, yeah, long from here again for the third time. Let's see if it works out. But again, be careful, protect your trade early, make it risk free if you can, because this might be something else than a wave four. I will pay more attention to this during my higher time frame analysis this weekend. So therefore, be careful. But I would say long from here, and yeah, a short. Um, yeah, I do not really see with this data an entry for a short, although there might be potential for further downside. I do not really see uh, where to enter, or based on which kind of structure to enter. Like if we look at the 15 minutes, no, I would, yeah, no, I would say long from here, but be careful, protect your position, and yeah, if I'm again stopped out, I will not retry another entry today. It's also Friday. I prefer to not have any trades over the weekend. So then I just wait till Monday. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.